Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be covering important tips and strategies for your board examination. Last 9 days are left and you have to utilize these days wisely. I'll be short and up to the point in this video. So let's begin with the first subject, that is mathematics. For that, if you have maintained a formula notebook, then you can revise the formulas from there and you should do it in 1 hour. You can also revise class 11th formulas of trigonometry, which will be helpful for you to tackle the problems of differentiation. Then you can solve specimen or sample papers. Please refer to the CISC specimen paper that is there in the website. Then you can borrow question papers of other schools. You can ask your friends to give the question paper of mathematics. You may solve it. You'll get an idea of the paper pattern. Then you can move on to MCQ back exercises of S. Chand book. If you don't have it, you can refer to NCRTs. I have divided these 9 days in 4 plus 5. Like for the first days, you'll be revising all the chapters. Basically, you'll be solving the examples and exercises. Last 5 days will be for mocks, previous year question papers, and the question papers of other schools. If you want that I should make a video on any chapter or its explanation, you can comment down. However, I have covered many chapter crash course videos and you will get it in my playlist section. Please like this video because that motivates me and I am really overjoyed whenever I see your like. Moving to physics, you have to learn the derived formula. Please do not learn the proofs or derivation. They are not going to come in first semester examination since it is MCQ based. Diagrams are also not important, but you have to just revise it. What is the mechanism? What is the aim of this diagram? And so on. Numericals are very, very important. Please do not neglect them. Practice many numericals. Refer to PYQs and other school question papers plus CISC's specimen paper. Then you can move on to NCRT physics. For chemistry, I would ask you to again practice the numericals. Then sample papers, reactions and conversion will be asked in MCQ. Maybe they'll ask you the name of the reaction like aldol condensation or any other reaction. So you have to learn the names of these reactions. If you have any optional subject like computer, art, Hindi, psychology, physical education, you have to do this in alternate days. Like you have to practice the mocks, MCQ, and previous year question papers. Since optional subject is very easy and you can score well in this part, out of 9 days, you have to practice this subject for 4 days. Optional subject, you can also refer to Oswald's specimen papers or whatever guide you have brought. Moving on to English literature or language. For this, you can refer to my videos, the playlist of ISC 12 or semester 1 English language playlist. You will get many videos there. The practice of transformation of sentences, prepositions, phrasal verbs, and many other topics are there in that category. So you may practice all these questions from there. You can also join my Telegram group, my Telegram channel, because I keep on updating and posting important documents, be it English, mathematics, physics, whatever I get, I post there, and I also provide my handwritten notes. So you may download Telegram and join my channel. Sample papers is again important. If you have that Pinto's book, that workbook, please refer it. Try to analyze the characters also. For Tempest, I would ask you to refer to paraphrase because you can revise all the scenes in this paraphrase. Otherwise, it's difficult for you to interpret that original text of Shakespeare. Moving on to stories and poems, you have to prepare it thoroughly, and you can also refer to YouTube videos, their explanation or They're animated stories, videos. And yes, there is a movie of Tempest. You can also watch it. You'll get to know about the storyline, and important details are not covered in that movie, but you have to yourself revise the text and reread everything. Please go for different meanings and its synonyms, like what is the exact meaning of abominable, or any other word that is in Tempest, bawling. These are some keywords that were there in Tempest text, so please go through that. And you will be revising all these four subjects, that is mathematics, physics, chemistry, and English language. Okay, so you have to revise it every day. You don't have to leave it for even a single day. You can leave computer or Hindi or psychology, whatever your optional subject is. It's not important to revise it every day. First preference is English, then mathematics, and then physics or chemistry. And yes, computer and the optional subjects are also scoring, so please do not take it lightly. You have to revise this also. Thank you for watching the video. In case you have any queries, you may drop down your query, your suggestion in the comment section.